Myntri jong sarkar jela bari pe ikatat kakot kekhia ikarap karyang bat kiwi dikinat Dr. Ampering Lingdo kali thu bakacinya kendu jongka bakinangalam jikaseng Voice of the People Party kalong ka basngotan nat bat kali thu basian ka sarkar lang ba umtri rang ba ka sakhat ekran ya ka VPP menyata sanyi ba halo ka Dawa jikaseng BPP mantung kambiang yakin langot ki afsa batoket jaka bot rekam jaka lok ayukta nakliang jongka kampat laban ong lalu kan lokan deka jalang tak aduk bakan deka kendu yang lang yok mesti rang ba menyekran dia kan deka kam.
We had a very fruitful discussion with President of BPP and his party functionaries, including Ba Kharpran and Ba Erelbert, who are the honorable members of the Legislative Assembly. It was decided in that meeting that they have requested for justification on why is it that there was a change in the appointment of members to the local Lokayukta, and they indicated that they would need another meeting with Honorable Chief Minister. I have accordingly communicated this request, which is very necessary, to the Honorable Chief Minister, whom I will be meeting shortly after this to further brief him on the details of our discussions. I express my sense of gratefulness to members of the VPP in the leadership of their president, because at this point of time, we would like to see that in our efforts to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, we must follow democratic paths to ensure that whatever observation, whatever issue, whatever dissatisfaction that is felt by them, because they are an important segment of the entire wheels of democracy, and we must never isolate observations based on frivolous decision taking or frivolous ignoring of important points brought to the forefront by all concerned members. And I sincerely hope that now that they have suspended their agitation, we will be able to communicate to them exactly the status of few of the demands that they have made. And I look forward to a working relationship which is going to be good for the democracy, which is going to be productive for the democracy. And that was the meeting that we had, and it was very fruitful.
So when will the
His decision, and will inform the concerned as and when he thinks fit. However, on my part, I will communicate to him. We've drawn out a minute of the meeting, and we leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Chief Minister to communicate. As like I said, discussions have taken place. Let these be communicated to the head of the state, who's the Honorable Chief Minister, and accordingly he will make the necessary briefings as and when the need arises.
Padmang, why in the beginning the government
Do not
like
jump the gun.
succumbing
It is not correct. This is your introspection. This is your personal reading of this, but I have not said that is what we have said. My stand here is very clear. We had a fruitful discussion. Details of that discussion are yet to be taken a decision. And when those decisions are taken, accordingly, they will be communicated to you. Do not imagine, do not presume that we have taken any decisions which go out of the stand of the government. And like I said, my role was to listen and then present our discussions to the highest authority of the state, which is the honorable Chief Minister. And please wait for that communication to come from his end.
Can you tell us the